How to find referral code on Temu app. To do so, simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Temu account. Once logged in, you will get to see the profile icon at the bottom tab in the middle. Simply tap on the profile icon and navigate to the profile settings of Temu. Now, once you are in the profile, there you will get to see win reward option available. Simply tap on the win reward, then tap on the referral code at the third option. Now here, your unique referral code will be displayed in this section. You can copy the code and share it with friends via text, social media or email, or invite friends and earn rewards more. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.